Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is me Nasir Sikandar, Director of Physical Education, Government Degree College Qazi Ahmad, District Shaheed Benazir Abad, presenting my lecture on the topic Introduction to Physical Education and Physical Fitness. Now I am going to give you brief introduction regarding physical education. Physical education, the word physical education is the abbreviation of the word P means pure, H for healthy, Y for yield, S for satisfactory, I for intellectual, C for capabilities, A for actual, L for logical. As we can define, it is a pure, healthy yield, satisfactory and intellectual capabilities in actual and logical way. Physical education is the integral part of the college curriculum that aims to develop the physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual aspect of an individual through well selected physical activities that will help students to attain and maintain their well balanced life. Now, the seven main reasons for the physical education is a subject in college level. Number one, good health. The value of physical fitness can never be overstated. It's only in the physical educational classrooms that students learn the value of taking care of themselves through proper grooming, healthy eating, and regular exercises. Number two, it is a preventive measure against disease. The many doctors today agree that obesity is a serious health risk. Without any form of our diet management and control with the numerous processed foods taking intake every day compounded by a sedentary lifestyle, a student's health can easily be at risk to many diseases like chronic heart disease, hypertension, diabetic, physical education. In college, in preventive measure to teach students the value of their regular exercises. Number three, it's a program for muscle strength and fitness. Physical education develops the students' motor skills and hand eye coordination. It also develops the upper body muscles through activities like doing push up as well as lower body muscles through stationary jumping jacks. 3 minutes running and jumping exercises. Programs usually have core training exercises like abdominal crunches. Number 4, it promotes academic learning. Physical health allows students to function even better in classrooms. A good cardiovascular system developed from regular exercises promotes excellent blood and oxygen circulation. This means more nutrients circulates throughout the body, which includes the brain. The circulation produces longer attention span during classes, allowing longer concentration and absorption. Number 5, it builds self-esteem. Students who are active in physical activities like basketball, volleyball, football, etc., and running, just to name a few, are more confident with themselves according to the most social college studies. It is probably because of their self discipline and dedication to excel in sports that brings out the best in students. In college, the physical education program introduces these sports activities to students, allowing them to make choices to which sports are they want to get involved in. Number 6, it develops cooperation, teamwork, and sportsmanship skill. Most physical education programs are holistic. The programs allow the students to interact together to a common goal, and that is to win and excel physically. It brings out competitive sides of students working both body and mind, but also promotes sportsmanship. Number 7. It promotes a physically active lifestyle. The purpose of physical education is to instill in students at an early age the value of self preservation and choosing a lifestyle that is good for both the mind and body. It also promotes physically active students' lifestyle for participating in different sort of activities. Either they are inside the college premises or outside the college premises, as well as up to university level or college level or inter board competition level or interuniversity level. It means a healthy lifestyle or a physically trained students all promote the best opportunity among those trained students. Aspects of individuals. The basic knowledge of anatomy and physiology would help individual to appreciate and encourage in engaging more in physical activities. It also developed the skeletal-muscular and cardiovascular system of the student, and also the endurance and the strength among students to sustain their daily life activities without undue fatigue. Other aspects of individuals. It includes the mental aspect, in which the nervous system is divided into two parts, that are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. These two systems play a very important role in our body and bodily movements, as well as in making right decisions. Physical activities helps us to condition and develop our mind to become more active and alert. And other aspect is social. To have a lot of friends and acquaintances and something that you be proud of. The one way of gaining a lot of friends is to know their temper and how to deal with it. There are 4 temperaments, that are sanguine, choleric, melancholic, and phlegmatic. These are those temperaments which are physically educated peoples might have, and that physical education help us to expose ourselves in different people, knowing and applying these things in our life would broaden the horizon of our social life, and we can say we possess a good self-esteem within us. In short, we can say a social and socio-economically trained athlete or an individual can perform good communication and social skills throughout the society with the help of those skills who attract and implement his social norms and characteristics among society as well, and also help the society and the social peoples at any type of hazardness, in any type of unconsciousness, in any kind of other hurdles. He can face easily every sort of hurdle because the social characteristics fully possessed by this kind of individual. Aspects are is emotional. The emotions completely arise from our heart. Whether our heart feels happiness, emotions will be arise in our face, on our face, quite smiley, or any sort of emotion that occur hurt means any kind of activity either against us, which obviously gives us uh, cryness. Ultimately our faith become diminished. Heart is the most sensitive part of our body. The Bible mentioned in Jeremiah, the heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Our emotions make us feel happy and sad, good and bad. It depends upon our choices. Physical education help us become more mature individual through various physical activities by mingling and playing with other people. There are so many kinds of emotions. I am going to differentiate you in the form of love. Number one, eros is the kind of emotion in which a person completely involved with his or her loved one in the form of romance, from lowest form of love. And number second, phileo, someone, we can say a person must have a friend, and that type of friend are said to be phileo, means a symbol of friendship. And other one is storge, it means fully dipped in love inside the heart with proper feelings. And number four is agape, unconditional love. And other aspect is spiritual. The spiritual aspect of an individual is the most important part to be developed. According to a holy book, Bible mentioned in Matthew chapter number 6, verse number 33, but seek you first the kingdom of God and righteous, all these things shall be added up to you. And in Proverbs chapter number 9, verse number 10, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of the wisdom. And other topic in front of you, that is physical education through sports activities. Physical education through sports activities develops spiritually by asking and seeking help from the God before competition. Players humbly seek the help of God to perform well and to win the game. They even ask the help of others to pray for their success. But the ultimate secret of the success, whether you win or lose, is to accept every situation and consider the will of God in your life. Benefits of being knowledgeable in physical education. Being knowledgeable with proper understanding of physical education and sports activities will help you to become more flexible and versatile individual. You will be experience a more healthier and happier life, a life that is free from stress, burnout, insecurities, and boredom. You will look young, you feel young, and feel good all the time. Aspects of individuals. The basic knowledge of anatomy and physiology would help individual to appreciate and encourage in engaging more in physical activities. It also developed the skeletal-muscular and cardiovascular system of the student, and also the endurance and the strength among students to sustain their daily life activities without undue fatigue. Importance of physical fitness. Number one, you are more likely to live a long and healthy life. Regular exercise reduces the risk of developing heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetic, and certain type of cancer. It also reduces the risk of having stroke. In 1/8 year of the study, of the more than 20,000 men, those who were lean but unfit had twice the risk of death as those who were lean and fit. Number two, you will have more energy and strength and stamina. People who complain that they don't have enough energy to exercise fail to realize that working out gives you energy. In one study, middle-aged women who lifted weights for a year become 27% more active in daily life than before. They start lifting weights. Regular exercises also increase your strength. If you try and lose weight simply by dieting, you will lose some muscle along with any fat. You lose and you will slow down your metabolism. If your weight loss program includes exercise, you will lose body fat without losing muscle and without slowing down your metabolism. If you're currently at a healthy weight, regular exercise will help you to avoid putting on excessive body fat in the future. Number three, you will keep excess body fat off. Number four, you will keep the bones strong. Both men and women start losing bones mass around age 35. Lifting weight cannot only stop the loss of the bone mass, but in some cases it can even reverse it. They drastically reduce the risk of osteoporosis, the disease of bones. Weight bearing exercise like walking and running also keep bone strong. 5. You will prevent a reduced low back pain. Strengthening your abdominal and lower back muscles can help prevent low back pain. It can also reduce discomfort in you already suffer from this pain. You might also be able to avoid back surgery by strengthening your abdominal and lower back muscle. In one study, 35 of 38 people who had been recommended for back surgery were able to avoid surgery by following an aggression strengthening program. Number 6, you will keep your mind sharp. Multiple studies have confirmed that regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your mind. Regular exercise improves brain function, which helps prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Number 7, you will improve your mood. A large amount of research shows that you have a better sense of well-being following a workout. Thanks to chemical release in the brain during exercise, feeling of depression, anxiety, stress, and anger are diminished during workout. You will get sick less often. Both aerobic exercise and weightlifting strengthen the immune system. The stronger the immune system, the less often you will get sick. Number 9, you will sleep better. People who exercise regularly fall asleep faster and wake up less often during the night than people who are sedentary. Number 10, you will enjoy life more. Life is much more enjoyable when you are fit and healthy. You look good and you feel good. You are more productive in everything you do. Why is physical fitness important? Because many common health problems are a result of the sedentary lifestyle, and they can be minimized or prevented by improving your physical fitness. Topic: components of physical fitness. There are two types of component. Number one, health related component. Number two or B, skill related component. Health related component, those sectors that are related to how well the system of your body work. Number one, cardiovascular fitness, the ability of circulatory system means heart and blood vessels to supply oxygen to working muscle during exercise. Number two, body composition, the relative percentage of body fat as compared to the lean body mass means muscle, bone water, and the percentage of their body fat. The flexibility, the range of movement possible at various joints, muscular strength, the amount of force that can be produced by a single contraction of the muscle, the muscular endurance, the ability of a muscle group to continue muscle movement over a length of time. B. Skill related components. Those aspects of the fitness from the basis of successful sports or activity participation. Speed, the ability to move quickly from one point to another point in a straight line. Number two, agility, it defines the ability of the body to change direction quickly. Balance, the ability to maintain an upright posture while sitting or moving. Coordination, integration with hand or foot movement with the input of the senses. Reaction time, amount of time it takes to get moving. Power, the ability to do strength work at an explosive pace. Importance and benefits of aerobic. Number one, control body fat. Means a person must have control the body fat. He or she must avoid from junk food eating, also avoid from alcoholism, and must avoid from fatty acids carrier things. Number two, it also increases resistance and also increase the general stamina. Number four, it also decreases and aids in the sleeping. Number five is also reduction of the risk developing common aches or pain. Number six, reduction of premature death. Aspects are is emotional. The emotions completely arise from our heart. Whether our heart feels happiness, emotions will be arise in our face, on our face, quite smiley, or any sort of emotion that occur hurt means any kind of activity either against us which obviously gives us uh, cryness. Ultimately our face become diminished. Heart is the most sensitive part of our body. The Bible mentioned in Jeremiah, the heart is deceitful. Five. Now
you
the
will
warm-up-
prevent a reduced low back
Warm up
pain.
have description is given below.
Strengthening your abdominal and lower
Start
back
from the
muscles
slope as
can help
movement,
prevent low back pain. It can
which
also
also
reduce
impact
discomfort in your
low
already
movement.
suffer from this pain.
The
You
main
might
purpose is
also be able
to
to
increase
avoid
the
back
blood flow
surgery
and
by
the body
strengthening your
temperature.
abdominal
Remember,
and
start
lower back
from
muscle.
the
In one
slow and
study,
easy movement.
35 of 38 people
I
who
already
had
mentioned
been
you
recommended for
in,
back surgery were able to
earlier
avoid surgery
slide
by
that
following an
Warm
aggression.
up always start
following
from
an
your normal walking.
Aggression
Students, whenever
strengthening program.
you are going
Number
to
6.
perform
You
in
will
any
keep your mind sharp.
competition,
Multiple
firstly,
studies
you
have
have to warm
confirmed
up
that
your
regular
body.
exercise is one of the
Because
best things you can do for your mind.
if
Regular
you do
exercise
not warm
improves
up brain function, what helps you
You
prevent
never
dementia
perform
and
any
Alzheimer's
activity
disease.
quite confidently.
Number 7. You will
Because
improve your mood.
warm up
A large
is-
amount of research
and
shows that
the
you
name
have
of
to better
warm up
sense
is
of well-being
heat up your body.
following a workout.
Whenever
Thanks to
your
chemical
body
release in the
is completely in position of heat up, means your blood circulation is already in working inside your body, then your messages which comes from your body parts quickly received by your nervous system, and your nervous system allows you to perform that activity quite confidently, clearly, quickly. That's it. Nutrition also plays a vital role inside the human body. If any player want to perform any sort of activity, she must take proper nutrition, because every sort of activity, every game have different nutrition criteria, different diets. Proper diet is the main point. Proper diet must be proper for proper game, and nutrients must be the right nutrients for the right game, because from nutrients we take calories, and those calories ahead while we are going to play any sort of activity, our calories become burns. By burning out our calories, our body perform different sort of activities. If we do not take a proper diet or proper nutrition, we never burn our calorie or never take any sort of activity quite clearly, quite quickly. And also problems of overacting, and our health also at the stage of risk if we are in condition of overweight or obese. And physiological factors of overweight also affects our nutrition as well, and the factor who affects the individual life or an athlete life, that are namely given below. Smoking is dangerous to health. Drugs also danger for our health. Junk foods, alcohol, gambling, and our sedentary lifestyle of living is all these factors are very much affected for our athletes' health. In last but not least, I am going to conclude my this lecture by giving you some suggestions. Please make your schedule of exercise on regular basis. Everyone must suggest a game for him or herself for playing, because physical activity makes you healthy, wealthy, and attractive. Thank you.